The design changes are noticeable. I do really like this new car. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Alright, we're back for a regular Wednesday night race night, and this is the first race you're going to get to see with the new Tekno EB410.2. Yes, it looks just like the old one when you look at it this way, but it's got new arms, new suspension setup, new rear geometry. I've made a whole video about how I built this and some of the differences with the old car. Anyway, this will be the first race with it. I am qualified in the B main, so let's go out. Also refreshed paint, new body, slightly brighter, bright white with the red stripe. Let's see how we do. Also, we are running a new Genzace Redline 5100 milliamp hour 130C shorty cell LiPo. Just testing this one out. It is about 10 grams lighter than the 6000 milliamp hour that I normally run, but it's that 10 grams makes a difference. And this one is a little bit shorter, so it fits in a little bit nicer. I like it. Let's go out, see how we do in this race. Fourth in the B, first time out with the EB410.2.
And I'm going to need 2 or 3 volunteers, please. So these guys are back to back. Have fun.
Thank you. Okay, this is four-wheel drive B main, October 14.
Number 1 is Jean, 2 is Dara, 3 is Brian, JK's in the 4, Joel in the 5, Jocelyn in the 6, and JS.
First race with the new car.
All right, guys, less than 5 on the tone. All right, so this is the bump.
Oh no!
Keep it clean, try to keep it clean. Oh,
come on. That was unfortunate start for us.
Oh, John's sneaking in, and John's sneaking on the inside, and they're going to pass on Darla. Oh, that's where he's smacking the pipe. Oh, I think you're wrapping up on the second place that was on the roof. You got John on the front. Darla's losing his mind up on the track. All right, it looks like Brian's up in the 2. We got no hard. Got a battle for 3. Got a battle for the 3rd spot here between Darla and JK. Darla went wide, JK on the inside, same pass. Meanwhile, our leader up front, Joan Gunner, with a 3.4 second lead on Brian. 4 minutes left. First.
Oh, dang it.
All right, he broke down the lead a little bit, down to 2.7 now. Between Brian and Joan. 4. Darla's in the 3, JK's in the 4, Zetlane's in the 5, Joel in the 6, JF in the 7. Here comes our leader, Joan. First. Second place is Brian with the red and the white. Oh, over here.
Oh, I hit a big rattan. Big rattan of track. The new track bit me.
Our third place car is Dara. Jake's in the 4, or John Kennedy's in the 4, let's play in 5, Jay up in the 6,
oh, what the heck.
First. Second. All right, first and second, separated by 2.6 seconds. Blinded by Joe again on the first place with the max boss, 17.52. Followed by Brian who took 3 seconds place with the 14 Mach 5. The last time around, the gap was 2.6 seconds between Joan and Brian. Joan's going by the line now. Brian's going by the line now. I think he's lost a bit of time. Yeah, 6.4 seconds now. He's lost 4 seconds on that last lap.
This new car is easier to drive on power while steering.
He's only a couple seconds back from Brian. 3 seconds to get back. So our leader's going by the line now. He's still got 2.5 down and to go. Brian's made up another 2 seconds. Down to 4-second gap now. Our 4th place cars for JK and just like Joel and JF. Our leader is going by, oh, the made a mistake. Leader right here by the line. All right, he's going by
back. He must be making a mistake again. Dara's right up on Brian's tail now. Oh, Dara makes a mistake at the start of the straight. Looks like our first and second place are not that far apart. I give him 2.5 seconds. Oh, just a bobble from Joan with JS there. Looks like our leaders only 1 second apart. 600ths of a second. We got ourselves a race with a minute and a half to go. Oh, Brian punches Joan out of the way. Doesn't get the good speed down low there. Joan pushes Brian wide and Brian goes off the track. Oh, there goes our battle. Oh, Dara meanwhile is caught up to Brian and just made a pass. Now Dara's up into the two. Our leader, Joan, goes by the line. 22-second lap there. It was a really rough one for Brian. Had to lead, lost it. It's hard and difficult to get the speed up down that straight. We got 15 seconds to go. Joan has a 4.6-second lead. And it'll go deep, Jake.
Man, with how much the computer was talking, I thought the race was over.
All right, we've got 30 seconds to go on the clock.
Still 30 seconds left.
5.6 seconds between Joan and Dara. Joan is going by the line now.
You ahead of me, Joel?
I'm a couple laps down, I believe.
Oh!
Meanwhile, Dara is 4.8 seconds behind Joan. Brian's only a couple seconds.
New car, head-on collision.
Oh, goal. All right, okay, we got it. Ooh. All right, everything's going by the line now. That's probably going to be it. Time is up. Dara's done. When you pass the line, you will be done. Brian, you're done. The zone takes our bump. Pass the line, you are done.
Okay. Fourth. So I finished how I started. Man. Okay then.
All right, everyone's done.
Race order is Miles RC,
No broken parts?
Tekno tough.
Mark Destiny,
Am I tough?
James Sean.
Alrighty guys, that was 4-wheel drive B main. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you're on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. That was the first run out with the new Tekno EB410.2. More of this on the channel as we learn how to tune it and tweak it and make it go faster. Alright guys, thanks for watching. A little bit more planted. I do like it a lot. The design changes are noticeable. I do really like this new car. I haven't really made any changes to the setup over how I built it other than just learning how to drive it and lowering the ride height a little bit.
All right, straightaway close, straightaway close.
But yeah, you can wheel this sucker.
My marshals.